to fix stuttering and lag in Citron Switch emulator. And if your games run choppy or slow, this video will solve it. Are you facing the problem where Citron Switch emulator stutters, lags, or has low frame rates even on a capable PC? This usually happens because of outdated graphics drivers, improper emulator settings, or background processes that steal resources and block smooth gameplay. Most solutions online are long, confusing, and full of technical steps that are hard to follow and often fail. That is why Rexus is sharing a secret easy trick that quickly fixes stuttering and lag in Citron Switch emulator and lets your games run smoothly. This simple method works fast, stays safe, and ensures a stable, playable experience. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix stuttering and lag in Citron Switch emulator, comment below and tell Rexus, and you can finally play your Switch games on PC without interruptions.